This is it again. Okay, so we got both ends soldered up nice. It's a little out of shape. So what we're gonna do is I'll bring up my mandrel again. Try to straighten it out the best I can. Here we go. Now, take it and wrap it around the mandrel. What I could do is put this right here. Get both ends real good. Let me check the fit. That looks a little big. File it down. You want both ends to be nice and flat, not have a little crimp. You don't want the snippets will cut the wire. They'll crimp it. So you want to make sure that you file it down and have a nice. It's really small, but at least it has a nice little flat edge so that they can kind of sit up against each other when we get ready to solder it. Then I just bend them beyond it. They're where they would be, and then so it has a little tension. You pull it back, and the two ends kind of meet up like that, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go over and solder this one, and then we'll shape it better, and go take it to the next step.